just a two-step process to fix driver power state failure BSOD error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type command prompt. From the search result, right click here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command carefully. You can find this command below from the description box. You have to just copy that command, then right click here and select edit and then click on paste, then hit enter. After that, type net start MSI server, then hit enter, then close command prompt, then go to search bar and type run. Click here to open it. Now type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. It will open system properties. Then go to advanced tab. In the startup and recovery, click on settings. Uncheck this option. Then expand this and select small memory dump 256 KB and then OK. Now restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.